Hey everybody, it's Matt, your travel sidekick. Today we are in a location that has been on my bucket list for at least a decade, Glacier National Park. I'm so excited to be able to share this with you, so let's go on an adventure. All right, we've made it, Glacier National Park. You excited, Jordan? This is my buddy Jordan.
Very excited.
All right, so we are here in Glacier National Park. We are driving down Lake McDonald, and my, it is stunningly beautiful. Yesterday coming in was actually the first time for me ever seeing snow-capped mountains, so this is very exciting. We have made it down to the Lake McDonald Lodge, and it's closed for this season, but we're going to poke around and see what we can find here. I don't even know what this place is called. I'll put it down at the bottom of the screen, but check out that view back there. It's just everywhere you go, it is so beautiful here. This bench will be famous someday. MJ, travel sidekick. What are your first thoughts?
Me?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Before we go too much further in the video, I just want to let you guys know that this is the first video that I'm able to bring to you in 4K, the entire video, so I hope you enjoy that. So we came out to the dock where the ferry picks up, but it's out of season, so it's not running right now. It's just beautiful out here. McDonald Lodge is a very neat place to come and just come down by the lake, by the river. I guess it's not a river, it's a lake. But there's a little stream that comes into it. I think we're going to do that hike a little later this week that goes along that stream. But man, it's beautiful out here. I hope you follow my Instagram to see all the beautiful pictures that's going to be put on there from this trip. Alright, after being on Lake McDonald for a little bit in that drive, we drove back around to do, what's the name of the hike, Jordan?
Rocky Point.
Rocky Point hike. Does say that grizzly bears and mountain lions can be found somewhere around here, so we're going to be loud so they don't see us, or they see us and stay away, but this should be fun. And this is why I go hiking, for the views. We are at the end of Rocky Point here in Glacier National Park on Lake McDonald. So beautiful. I got an idea, just chilling right up the way there. Can you see it? And he's walking towards us. All right, day 2, we are going to do some bike riding. We rented some bikes, and we are going to go out to Avalanche Creek. So going to the Sun Road currently, being that it's the beginning of May, is closed right at the Lake McDonald Lodge. So we are taking the bike. right, we stopped along the way and came down a little path. It's so beautiful. It's got a little waterfall, beautiful mountains. I love this place. Oh my gosh, at this rate we may never get to the trail. We keep stopping. It's so beautiful out here to see the falls. Oh, this is amazing. All right, we're on the Trail of the Cedars, and we are going to Avalanche Lake. So it's a really nice place to walk through. So I hope you enjoy. Walking on this beautiful trail, we got to a point in it where these trees have just come down all over the place. And then you look up on the other side to the mountain. Whoa. After a little trekking through the snow, it started to rain just a little bit on us, but we have made it. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is why I go hiking. And as we start our hike back, it's raining. So hopefully being under the trees will help us a little bit. I'm gonna miss this place. So beautiful. All right, we finished the hike. As you can see by the droplets on the lens, it rained a lot. But now just in time for the bike ride back. Sun's coming out, it's gonna be good. How was it, Jordan?
It's fantastic.
Was it worth it?
Totally.
Woo! 16 miles of biking and 5 miles of hiking. That's some exercise. Time to have a good dinner tonight. All right, we are all on our way to the East Glacier, and because the road to the sun is closed because it's still icy, we have to take the southern route, and I had to stop and take a look at all this. It's so beautiful. Just take a look. Whew, it's cold and windy out here too. Glacier National Park. Woo, I don't we hiked up the road that was closed, going to the sun on the east side of Glacier National Park for this crazy view. Doesn't get any better than this. All right, so we've been up here for maybe 20 minutes. This is one of the best views that you could possibly see. I say that and we might find better, but gotta come up here. And the fact that we're here in May when there's nobody here, I can't imagine what this looks like July and August when this road is open and crazy congested. If you're driving down the road, one of the things you have to do is put your windows down and smell the Christmas tree smell. Yeah, it smells like Christmas trees here. It's pretty awesome. Been on the Road to the Sun road, and take a look at how high up we've gotten. I had no idea. That was so cool. We just got to see some cliff goats. That's what I call them. But we were just walking along and they were right there about maybe 10, 15, 20 meters in front of us. So cool. Oh my gosh, look, they're crossing the road. It's a whole bunch of the longhorned sheep, aka cliff goats. Oh my goodness. We are effectively being chased by longhorned sheep. They're walking down the road, chasing after us. The funny part of this all is that we're walking back to the car and they're in between us and they're chasing us, and now they're sniffing where we were. Has some gas or something. They wouldn't like it. And funny thing about Glacier National Park, funny and true, twice we've had a blue sky and we felt rain, and now we got clouds coming in, so we need these guys to move along. Yikes. So we've come back down to where the others are. So I don't know if they're gonna walk down the street and join them, but we walked out of sight, and so hopefully they get satisfied and move on.
It's like a gang coming at us, pushing us down the road.
We're now trying to hide from the goats so they can go around us. Then we can continue going back to the car. Stay tuned. They still on the road?
I don't know, I can't see anything right now. On this corner.
We're hiding.
Someone's gotta be brave.
You do it, Jordan.
I got my stick.
That'll work. The crisis may be averted. They're all over there now. Oh, there's one on the road. Doggone it. He's keeping watch. Make sure we don't get by. Oh, there's two. They're walking. Oh, sorry.
Yes, they are scared of us.
They are scared. They weren't trying to follow us. We are now walking back to the car. Turns out they're scared of us. But it's a little different when there's 20 of them plus walking towards you. All right, it is the last day here in Glacier National Park. We are going to do part of the Lincoln Lake Trail. I think it's 15 miles round trip. We're going to Lincoln Creek because that's just a long hike. I don't want to kill myself for the last day. Alright, we've been walking for 26 minutes and gone up right about 1,000 foot of elevation. This is kicking my butt. But Jordan, on the other hand, he just...
Let's go.
He wants to do the full 15 miles. Oh gosh. It's still going straight up. This thing is kicking butt. Oh my gosh. Oh, I feel it in my calves. Well, we made it 1.3 miles into this hike. This thing is royally kicking my butt. I guess you need to be in better shape. I mean, round is a shape. And that's pretty much the shape I'm in. But, and we had to turn around. I wouldn't have been able to make it the 4 miles. It's a beast. If you come to this, be ready. All right, we made it back down. Sorry I let you guys down, but we got to about 1,300 foot elevation, something like that, and kicked my butt. So, has anybody that's watching, have you guys gone beast mode and made it to Lincoln Lake? It's a long 15-mile hike. Comment below, let me know. So after parking at the Lake McDonald Lodge, we took a 1.5 mile walk down the Going to the Sun Road, and we are going to John's Lake. So hopefully a little redemption from earlier. Man, it smells so good on this trail too, just like it did on the Trail of Cedars. So there's more cedars to smell. All right, here is John's Lake. Underwhelming. Well, don't stop at the first lookout. Keep coming around. It's a lot more beautiful, but it's hard to see. Can't go much further because of the mud. So the trail brought us back to McDonald Falls. Again, this place is beautiful. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe for future videos.